Hey everyone, welcome back to FluttSky. Today we're going to explore the animated container widget in Flutter. This widget is perfect for creating smooth animations with minimal code. Let's dive in and see how it works with a simple example. Here, I have a sample app running. Watch as the container smoothly changes its size, color, and alignment when tapped. Let's see the code behind this animation. In this example, we have a basic setup with a stateful widget. Let's break down the key parts of this code. First, we define a boolean variable selected and initialize it to false, which will help us toggle between the two states of our container. Next, we have our build method, which returns a scaffold. In scaffold, we have an app bar and a gesture detector. This gesture detector widget listens for tap events. When the container is tapped, the selected boolean toggles its state, triggering the animation. Inside the gesture detector, we have a center widget that contains our animated container. The animated container animates several properties based on the value of selected. Let's start with the width and height properties. When selected is true, the width is set to 300 and height is set to 150. Otherwise, they're 150 and 300, respectively. We use the decoration property to give color to the container. Box decoration. When selected is true, the color is red, and when tapped, the color will change to blue. The alignment property adjusts the position of the child widget inside the container. When selected is true, the alignment is set to alignment.center. Otherwise, it is set to alignment-directional.top-center. The duration property defines how long the animation will take. Here, we set it to 2 seconds. The curve property determines the animation's pace. We're using curves.fastOutSlowIn for a smooth and natural animation. Finally, we have a Flutter logo as the child of the animated container, with a size of 75. Now let's see this code in action. When we run the app, we see a blue container with a Flutter logo. When we tap the container, it smoothly transitions to a red container with different dimensions and alignment. Let's make some changes to make this example more engaging. We'll animate the border radius and margin as well. First, let's add a border radius. We can do this by adding a border radius property to our box decoration. It's border radius.circular, and when selected is true, border radius is 50, otherwise it is 0. Next, let's add some margin. EdgeInsets.all. When selected is true, the margin is set to 10.0. Otherwise, it's 0.0. Now, when we run the app and tap the container, we see not only the changes in size, color, and alignment, but also a smooth transition in border radius and padding. This makes our animation even more dynamic and visually appealing. And there you have it. The animated container widget is a fantastic way to add simple yet powerful animations to your Flutter apps. With just a few lines of code, you can create smooth transitions that enhance your app's user experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to FluttSky for more Flutter tutorials, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's a specific widget you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!